Usually, when you save drawings in AutoCAD or Civil 3D, you are getting a backup file at the same location. So what happens is if you have so many drawings inside a folder, you will have so many backup files. Sometimes you don't need it, but it will pile up the storage area as well. So if you want to move all these backup files to a single location, this is how to do that. So we will see, we'll say that we want to move all my backup files into a drive called other D. In my case, I'm creating a new folder and I called it backup, let's say back files CAD, like that. So what I do is I select this folder, then I go into this folder, then I right click, then copy this address. So then I go to AutoCAD, or in my case Civil 3D. Then I have to open a drawing, whatever the drawing you can open, even it is a new drawing, it is okay. So you type move back, this command, move back. Then it is asking new value for move back. So you have to paste the copied address into this location, then click open, then press enter. Now when you save any drawing in any location, what happens is these backup files will be loaded into that or saved in that default backup file location without saving in the drawing location. So when the storage size is increasing, you can remove the all backup files, or if you want to refer to any backup file, you can go to that location and refer to that backup file.